Over in the corner all alone with you was the boy from last summer singing songs to you. But he can't sing like I can sing, oh it's so hard. And I still think about you every time I'm riding in my car.
Riding in my car. When I'm home alone, I can think of other things to do. But when I'm rolling in forward motion, I think about only you. A year and a day since I talked to you. I don't know how I made it, but I sure have been blue.
And every time I think of what might have been, I jump in my car and start riding again.
I can't find no true love, oh baby, it's so hard. And I still think about you every time I'm riding in my car. Riding in my car. About you every time I'm riding in my car. Riding in my car.
Riding in My Car, live in the studio with She and Him, and our thanks to Zooey Deschanel, M.Ward, and this great band for playing live for us. Thanks a lot, guys, and congratulations on this album.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Good
Thanks
to talk to you again.
A total treat.